Hey Siri, start a 10-minute timer. It looks like this is all even and everything, and this looks a little bit small in like just proportion wise, but I'm liking the way it's coming together. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. It's a different kind of style video for me, but it's kind of something I want to move into because a lot of people are interested in just seeing a longer format of what I post on Instagram. So this video was obviously my post-gym morning routine. So we started from after the gym this morning, came home, showered, made a coffee, read my ebook, made my smoothie, filled up my water, came into my office and got to work. Honestly, that's all it really is, but it is something I like to break down and show you guys a longer format because I think it's interesting when I see other people showing this kind of thing. So I thought I'd share my routine that I do after I get home from the gym. You usually see morning routines, so a post-gym morning routine is a little bit different, I think. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I plan on making more videos, maybe something like an actual morning routine or just the fundamentals of routine. Because I think when you start a routine and you're consistent with it, it builds momentum over time. That's what I've always found with routines. So for me, you'll see across my social media, I'm a very routine orientated person because I just believe in routines because they build momentum and it makes the harder things a lot easier over time. Maybe the first time you do it, it'll be difficult, but after doing a routine for about a month consistently, it makes things a lot easier because you build momentum over time. So like I said, if you guys want any other style videos, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and drop a like on the video. Plan to post these kinds of videos maybe 2 to 3 times per month. So that's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.